Hello friends, myself Randhir Phalke. So today in this lecture we are going to see practice plan for the residential building on unit 5. So in your university exam there may be asked question for 13 marks. So question will be question number 5 or question number 6. Both question is asked for 13 marks, right? So for that we will take one example on this. So in your in on your screen the question you can read: develop the line plan as shown in figure according to the construction notes given below, right? So we have to draw a detailed plan, front elevation, sectional elevation, calculation of plinth area. So these things we have to draw on a sheet. For that, they given some notes. So first note is depth of foundation below ground level, it is 1 meter. Second, plinth height 600 mm. Standard plinth height they have given, that is zero point 0.6 meter. Third point, they have given a floor to floor height is equal to 3000 mm, that is 3 meter. After that, 4 point, slab thickness they have given 100 mm. After that, PCC in foundation 150 mm. After that, internal wall of WC and bath 200 mm thick. After that, mosaic tile flooring over bed of PCC 1:3:6, 110 mm thick and 200 mm thick rubble soling below or in foundation. Next point, they have given assume suitable data. After that, partition wall of WC and bath to 200 mm already they have given. After that, brick wall in superstructure 300 mm thick, that is external wall they have given and it is 300 mm. After that, UCR in centimeter cement mortar 1:6 for foundation and plinth wall. Cement mortar, that is 1:6. So these points they have given or notes they have given, and we have to draw a detailed plan, front elevation, sectional elevation, and we have to also calculate plinth area. So this question is asked in your university exam for 13 marks, right? So line plan they have given. So in your screen you can clearly see the line plan which they have given. In that, living room is 4 meter into 4.8 meter. After that, kitchen 4 meter into 3 meter, bedroom 3.5 meter into 3 meter, WC 1.2 into 1 meter, bathroom 2.2 into 1.5 meter, and bedroom, second bedroom 3.5 into 4.5 meter. And mm, in front of living room they have given some space for veranda and it is 4 meter into 2.4 meter. So this is the plan, line plan they have given, and also they have given a section which is passing from bathroom, living room and kitchen. So there is no staircase, so the section is passing through bathroom, your living room and kitchen, right? So this is the line plan they have given, and we have to draw a develop plan for this line plan. Also we have to draw elevation, sectional elevation, and also we have to calculate the plinth area of this plan, right? So first of all we will see the develop plan, right? So in construction notes, they have clearly mentioned the wall thickness, external wall thickness, that is 200 mm, and internal wall thickness for WC and bath is, it is 200 mm. So according to this, external wall is 300, internal wall of for WC and bath is 200. After that, in develop plan, you have to fix the position of doors, windows, ventilator, right? So in your plan, you can clearly see in the position of doors, windows, ventilator. After that, uh, in develop plan, you also draw a projection of chhajja projection. If chhajja projection is given, uh, then you have to take that only. If not given, then you have to assume, and you should assume between 500 to 750 right? So in your plan you can clearly see in the chhajja projection. After that, all the dimensions, like small dimension is having, they have clearly mentioned, and you have to mention in your plan. After that, in develop plan you can see the section line. The section line they have given, which is passing from bathroom, living room and kitchen. If the section line is not given, then you have to assume a section line, right? But the criteria for selection of section line, it must be passing from your WC, bath or kitchen, or your staircase. WC, bath and staircase. So staircase is not here, so they have passed from uh, bathroom, living room and kitchen, right? So below develop plan, they have drawn front elevation. So in front elevation you can clearly see the plinth height they have given, that is 600 that is 0.6 meter. Floor to floor height they have given, that is 3000 that is 3 meter, right? So front elevation you can see window, above window, for improving aesthetical view or architectural view, they have drawn some design above and below window. After that, one chhajja is seen, a side ventilator and this side window. After that, front door you can clearly see. Above front door there is a veranda. So for that veranda they have given a railing. After that, staircase. So these things you have to draw clearly in your elevation and develop plan, right? Next, sectional elevation. So sectional elevation, they have given the foundation below ground level, it is uh, 1 meter, right? So before starting drawing of section, you must see section line, the section line from which it is passed, right? Then you have to start drawing for the section drawing, right? So section line क्लिअरली तुम्ही बघितल्यानंतरच तुम्ही सेक्शन हा ड्रॉ करायला घ्यायचा आहे. तर आपल्याला त्यांनी सेक्शन लाईन दिलेली आहे, ती तुमच्या बाथरूम, लिव्हिंग रूम आणि किचन मधून पास होते, राईट? सो त्यांनी दिलेली आहे, त्यामुळे त्या पद्धतीनेच तुम्हाला ड्रॉ करावं लागणार आहे. सो त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला वॉल थिकनेस त्यांनी दिलेली आहे. एक्सटर्नल वॉल 300 इंटरनल वॉल फक्त याचीच आहे WC आणि बाथची, तर ती याच्यामध्ये इथं एका ठिकाणी दिसते 200 डॅडो त्यांनी दाखवलेला आहे बघा सेक्शनमध्ये, व्हेंटिलेटरच्या खालीपर्यंत दाखवलेला आहे, बिलो सी लेवल ऑफ व्हेंटिलेटर. आफ्टर दॅट पुढं एक वॉल कट झालेली आहे, तिथं एक डोअर आहे, पुढं एक आपल्याला किचनचा डोअर दिसतोय, त्यानंतर एक किचनची विंडो दिसतीये तिथे, राईट? आणि एक विंडो कट झालेली आहे, ती पण किचनचीच आहे. राईट. आफ्टर दॅट RCC स्लॅब, त्याची थिकनेस आपल्याला त्यांनी दिलेली आहे 100 mm. त्यानंतर पॅराफिट वॉल त्यांनी वरती दाखवलेली आहे. सो सेक्शनमध्ये पण तुम्हाला ज्या सगळ्या जेवढे पॉसिबल डायमेन्शन दाखवता येत आहेत तेवढी सगळी दाखवणं अपेक्षित आहे. सेक्शनच्या प्लिंथ मध्ये जे काही तुमचं मटेरियल कट होणार आहे, लाईक टाईल्स, कोपिंग, आफ्टर दॅट मुरूम, रबल, हे पण दाखवणं अपेक्षित आहे त्या ठिकाणी. त्यानंतर इथं स्टेप फुटिंग दिलेलं आहे. फाउंडेशन बिलो ग्राउंड लेवल त्यांनी क्लिअरली मेन्शन केलेलं आहे की ते 1000 mm आहे. सो तेही तिथं दाखवलेलं आहे. स्टेप फुटिंग दाखवलेलं आहे. राईट. सो ह्या ज्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत त्या तुम्ही क्लिअरली इथं दाखवणं अपेक्षित आहे. त्यानंतर याच्या खाली तुम्ही एरिया कॅल्क्युलेशन, एरिया स्टेटमेंट द्या. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही प्लिंथ एरिया तुम्हाला काढायला सांगितला आहे, तो तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेट करावा लागेल. राईट. आणि शेड्यूल ऑफ ओपनिंग जरी त्यांनी विचारलं नसेल तरी तुम्ही शेड्यूल ऑफ ओपनिंग दाखवणं अपेक्षित आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला तुमचे डोअर्स, विंडोज, ते किती नंबर्स आहेत त्याचे आणि त्याच्या सायझेस कशा आहेत ते शेड्यूल ऑफ ओपनिंगमध्ये दाखवलं जातं. सो तेही तुम्ही इथं दाखवणं अपेक्षित आहे. आणि ह्या सगळ्या व्यवस्थित गोष्टी तुम्ही क्लिअरली तिथं डिनोट केल्या, ड्रॉ केल्या चांगल्या, तर तुम्हाला 13 मार्क्ससाठी हा क्वेश्चन युनिव्हर्सिटी एक्झाममध्ये विचारला जाऊ शकतो. आणि पेन्सिल जी यूज करायची ती तुम्ही 2H ची पेन्सिल यूज करा ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी. दॅट्स इट. ओके, थँक्यू.